Imagine waking up one morning, checking your bank account, and bam! You're just $5 away from having to survive on instant noodles for the rest of the month. Sound familiar? Or maybe you're thinking, why does my paycheck disappear faster than my motivation to exercise? Well, you're not alone. Saving money on a low income can feel impossible. But what if I told you there's a way to save money fast, even if you're barely scraping by? Stick around because I'm about to show you some clever, psychology-backed tricks that will change the way you think about money forever. And trust me, you don't need a six-figure salary to start saving. You just need to play the game smarter. So, grab a snack, but not an expensive one, and let's dive in. Let's be real. Life is expensive. Rent, groceries, bills, gas. It's like your paycheck is on a mission to vanish into thin air. And every time you think you're doing okay, something unexpected happens. Car breaks down, there goes $500. Friend's wedding? Say goodbye to another $200. Your cat suddenly needs therapy? Boom, more money gone. But here's the thing. Most of us don't struggle to save because we're bad with money. We struggle because society is designed to make us spend. Think about it. Your phone bombards you with ads 24/7. Social media makes you feel like you need that new outfit, that fancy meal, that latest gadget. And let's not even talk about those limited time deals that pressure you into buying things you don't even need. So, how do you break free from this cycle and actually start saving? Here's the cold, hard truth. If you don't get serious about saving now, you could end up stuck in a cycle of living paycheck to paycheck forever. And that means no emergency fund when things go wrong, no vacations, no financial freedom, and worst of all, being forced to say, I can't afford it every time something fun comes up. And let's be honest, there's nothing fun about being broke. But here's the good news. Saving money isn't about being rich, it's about being smart. And I'm about to give you the ultimate game plan to start stacking up your savings, even if you're on a tight budget. Ready? Let's go. Here's the solution. 10 money-saving hacks that actually work. Saving hack number 1, the pay yourself first trick. Most people save whatever's left at the end of the month. Spoiler alert, there's never anything left. The trick? Pay yourself first, before you pay anyone else. Set up an automatic transfer of even $5 to $10 to a separate savings account the moment you get paid. Do this and watch your savings grow without even thinking about it. It's like giving yourself a bill, but one that benefits you. The earlier you start, the faster your money grows. Saving hack number 2, the cash-only challenge. Cards make spending feel fake. So for the next 30 days, try using only cash for things like groceries, entertainment, and small purchases. When you physically see your money disappearing, you'll think twice before spending. Plus, when the cash runs out, it's gone, forcing you to be more mindful. You'll be amazed at how much less you spend when you ditch the plastic. Saving hack number 3, the subscription purge. Netflix, Spotify, Disney Plus, that gym membership you swore you'd use but haven't touched in months. Add them up and you might be throwing away hundreds each year. Take 10 minutes right now and cancel everything you don't absolutely need. Think of it as a detox for your bank account. Your future self will thank you. And remember, you can always resubscribe later if you truly miss it. Saving hack number 4, the side hustle stack. Let's be honest, saving is easier when you have more to save. So why not boost your income? Pick up a small side hustle, freelancing, selling old stuff, delivering food. Even making an extra $50 a week adds up fast. That's $200 a month, over $2,000 a year. Imagine what you could do with that money. Saving hack number 5, the buy in bulk move. Buying single items? That's a rookie mistake. If you can, buy in bulk. It's cheaper in the long run. Rice, beans, toilet paper, stock up and save big over time. Plus, fewer grocery trips mean fewer chances to buy things you don't need. Keep an eye out for discounts and coupons to stack your savings even more. Saving hack number 6, the invisible money hack. Want to trick yourself into saving? Rename your savings account something fun like Dream Vacation or New Car Fund. This makes saving feel like a goal, not a punishment. And here's the kicker. Every time you want to spend money on something dumb, transfer that amount to savings instead. Think of it like this. Every $10 you don't waste on fast food brings you $10 closer to your dream trip to Bali. It's a mindset shift that makes saving feel rewarding instead of restrictive. Plus, banks now let you automate this process. So once you set it up, you won't even have to think about it. Easy money. Saving hack number 7. The 30-day rule impulse buying is a wallet killer. Instead of buying on the spot, wait 30 days. If you still want it after a month, then buy it. You'll be shocked at how many things you no longer need. Most of the time, that thing you had to have will completely fade from your mind within a week. That's money saved without even trying. And if you do still want it after 30 days, you'll at least know it's something you truly value instead of just a passing craving. This one hack alone can save you thousands. Saving hack number 8, the No Spend Weekend Challenge. For one weekend every month, commit to spending nothing extra. No eating out, no shopping, no paid entertainment. Find free activities and rediscover how much fun you can have without spending a dime. Try a movie night at home, have a picnic, go hiking, or just hang out with friends without spending a cent. You'll be amazed at how much money you save without feeling like you're missing out. And who knows, you might even make it a habit and start doing no-spend weeks. Saving hack number 9, the grocery game plan. Make a grocery list and stick to it. Never shop hungry and always check for sales and coupons. Planning meals in advance can save you hundreds each year. Impulse buying at the store is a silent budget killer. 1 second you're there for milk, the next, your cart is full of snacks, fancy cheeses, and a $20 candle you swear you need. Stick to your list, shop once a week, and take advantage of store discounts. The difference in savings is huge. And finally, saving hack. Number 10, the Roundup Savings hack. Use a banking app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and saves the spare change. It's like tricking yourself into saving money without even noticing. Every time you buy coffee for $3.75, the app rounds it up to $4 and puts that extra 25 cents into your savings. Do this for every purchase, and over time you'll have a solid savings stash without even trying. Think of it like a digital piggy bank, except this one actually works for you. Here's the deal. Saving money isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. If you start today, even with small amounts, you'll be shocked at how fast it adds up. Every dollar you save now is one step closer to financial freedom. And remember, your future self is depending on you. So take action now. Try one of these tips today and start seeing results. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving hacks, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. What's your best money-saving tip? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.